Sailing on a stormy sea. I am sailing on a stormy sea. I am sailing on a stormy sea, just to see my baby. Swimming through the stormy seas with my brody at the wheel, steering through the thunder with the wind up on my heels. Hit the crackle of the lightning on the riggin of the steel, with the snap of a whip from the sky into the keel. Every wave feels a mountain and we climbing up the hill, with the thump of the bass from the splash of the keel, the crash of the clap of the ocean as she reels, with the dance of the rhythm of the rain upon the seals. When the sky is the limit, we are plowing through the field, from the clunk of the churn as the sail gets a thrill of the wind, as we drivin it into a spin, from the top to the bottom as the waves and the wheels. Sailing on a stormy sea. I see the eye of the cyclone and I hear the clock, see the lights on the horizon and they blinking like some spots. I hear the blaring of the fog and the sound of some cars. I feel the burn of the hail and it is tearing at my smock, and I hear the bellow of the trumpets and the wail of the flocks as they squalling and squawking in the air in the fog. I see the school of the fish and they swimming in the flock as we climbing up the wall of the water as it rocks. The sound of the rain pattering up on the dock and the waves beat the boat like a chest and a heart, and my heart beats the same for my girl in my arm.